Welcome to this tutorial on how to open an ETrade margin account. A margin account allows you to borrow money from your broker to purchase more investment products than you could with just your available cash. This can potentially increase your returns, but also involves greater risks. Let's walk through the steps to open your margin account with ETrade. First, you'll need to create an ETrade account if you do not have one already. Visit the ETrade website and click on the Open an Account button. You will be prompted to provide personal information such as your name, address, social security number, and employment details. Make sure to have your financial information handy, as you will need to disclose your income and net worth. Once your initial account is set up, log into your ETrade account and navigate to the Margin Account section. You will find an option to apply for a margin account. Carefully read through the margin agreement and ensure you understand the terms and conditions, especially the risks involved. After reviewing, complete the application form, providing any additional information required. After submitting your application, ETrade will review it, and you will receive a notification about its approval status. If approved, you can start trading on margin within your account. Remember, while a margin account can amplify your gains, it can also increase your losses, so be sure to trade responsibly. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your investing journey.